if you live in Europe, you might have this problem where you notice your radiators don't work and there's no heat coming out, or maybe you just don't have hot water at your faucets. And usually that's because there will be not enough pressure in the system. And you can tell that by when you go into your water heater setup like this. You might have a dial where the gauge, the actual pressure, is not lined up with the indicator where it should be. So you just need to pressurize the line. And to do that, you have to hook up your water inlet into the system here. And usually, hopefully, there'll be a tube maybe in with your setup like we have here. Otherwise, you might have to buy one. And I don't know the exact fittings, but the local hardware store should probably be able to guide you. So what you do is this, and hopefully this works. So what we'll do is connect this first. And this is closed, obviously. Then we'll open this up. This is just the cap. This is not actually opening the water line. And this goes into here. Make sure they're tight so they don't drip. And this will open the valve. So that allows the water to come in now. This is what actually turns the water on. Okay. Maybe you can hear that now, and you can see the pressure is now building. Oops, sorry, I just closed it. That was dumb. Taking a while. You can see it's already up to 1.2 bars. And when it is almost up to the pressure, or up to the red line, we can close this. Come on. There it goes. Okay. And now you can shut this off. And now you can just disconnect your hose here. Be careful, there will be water in here, as you can see. After that, your system should work okay. You might have to hit some buttons up here to maybe get it out of the error state.